Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to verify the age in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. For verify your age, you need to enter into your settings, Roblox settings, and then enter into account info. On the account info, just scroll down and on the birthday below it shows like verify my age. Just press verify your age and submit any one of the proof like voter ID or passport or your driving license to verify the age. And in between it shows like you need to give the access, so for that you need to enter into your application info and give the camera access. Once it's done, please upload your proof to verify. After that, please position your face to verify your ID. Yeah, once it's done, it shows like congratulations, you're done, thanks for verifying your identity. Now our identity is verified and the age is verified. That's it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.